In this video, I will show to change the language and theme in Grok AI tool. Here you can go and open this website grok.com. And after that, if you are using it first time, then you need to create a free account. So click this button, sign up. And here you can see you can easily create your account with Google account, Apple and different other options. So let me select this one, then select the Gmail account, then click continue button. Now account is ready. On the left side, this one is the dashboard. Select this button, then settings. To change the language, here you can see this one, click here this button. After that, here you can select any of the language. So for example, let me select this one. I can scroll down and these are all of the languages that are supported. So now I can select this one. Here you can see language is changed. Now again I can select the English language, then select the appearance. Then after that, here you can activate the light theme, dark theme. Select dark, so that looks perfect. After that, here you can type anything and choose the Grok.